we can implement the C++ program, that is the operations of stack. That operations can be performed by using the STL, that is standard template libraries. We can open the G-editor, or we can open the, it is called a text editor for typing of your programs. We can write the statement of your program, that is the write a C++ program using standard templates library for implementation of stack operations. We can include the header files, that is the IO stream, we can include the stack dot, we can include the stack file, header file for accessing the standard template library files of stacks. We can include standard library file. We can include using namespace, integer main. We can write the total main function, opening of main and closing of main. We can write here the create the objects of stack. We can give the data types integer. Yes, T is objects of stack, that can indicate the stack and its object st, and the integer indicates types of elements, that is the integer types of elements in stacks. We can create another two variables, choice ch and item. I can create two variables, integer choice and item. I use the while loop for repetition of code, opening of while body, closing of while body. We can write here stack operations by using STL. That cout is used for displaying message on the screen. We can use /n for the new line, or we can use endl for the ending of line. Next, we can include the sum. We can create some menus or displaying some output. Cout /n first menu, insert elements into stack. Second menu, delete element from the stack. Third menu, third is we can find the size of stack. Find the size of stack. Fourth menu, top element, top of the stack. Next, fifth menu, exit. give one output message, cout, enter your choice. We can accept choice by using keyboard. We can give the inputs. We can use ch is a variable for accepting inputs from the keyboard. It is used for accepting the choice. Next, we can use switch case statements. Switch case is called as menu driven statements. Switch case now we can pass the accepted choice, opening of switch, ending of switch. We can create the cases. Case 1 for the inserting element into the stacks. We can use the insertion operation. In the choice 1 we can display one cout message, enter value to be inserted, that value can be accepted from the user, that is cin. We can declare one variable here, atom, that will be used here, or atom variable for accepting values from the keyboard. We can use inbuilt function of the STL, that is object of stack dot push function. Which element will be pushed? We can accept an atom value. That atom value is pushed in the stack, that is st dot push, object of stack, and push function for the stack operations. And we can break the particular case, that is break. We can create another case, case 2. Case 2 is used for the delete element from the stack. We can delete element from the stacks. Firstly, those elements on the top that can be deleted. I can find that elements st dot top, those elements on the tops that can be assigned to the atom. I can pop that element st dot pop. By using st dot pop function we can pop that elements. After popping, I give the message on the screen, that is deleted element, is, and which elements? It is top element stored in the atom, that is st of top value stored in the atom, that value will be shown here. Deleted element is, and atom value will be displayed. Then we can use break for the ending of the case 2. Case 3 is used for the finding the size of the stacks. We can find the size of the stacks. We can display one message, cout top size of the stack, how to find? We can use inbuilt function, that is st object dot size function. It can be find the size of the stack, and we can use break for ending of particular case. Case 4 is used for the finding the top elements. we can give the message top element of stack st.top. By using st.top function we can find the top element of the stack. Next we can use break for execution of that particular statements, particular case 5 exit, and if you enter the other than these 5 cases, that is default case will be executed. I give the message for that. Wrong choice. Ending of the switch. This is ending of the switch. Then this is ending of the while. This is ending of the main function. Return 0, that is ending of the program. We can save that program. We can click on the save button. We can give the name of the program. I give the stack.cpp. We can save program by using the stack.cpp extension, because we can use the C++ programming, use the C++. We can use cpp extension. For the compilation of program we can use the terminal. We can open the terminal. We can give the compilation command g++ is compiler, then name of the program dot its extension, that is the one error is cstd. Here is a, we can type here C will be capital. We can use by mistakenly, we can use small. After that we can make changes. Again we can compile that. Compilation will be successfully. We can use /a.out for the execution command. These are the operations of the output messages, that is these 5 cases we can create it. These are the 5 cases. This is enter your choice. By using keyboard we can enter the choice, that is choice is 1, that is enter value to be inserted. I will be inserted 10. Again it can ask the choice. I will be enter choice 2, that will be deleted. Again I check the, again I will insert elements 10. I will insert again 20. I will insert again 30. Finding the size of the stacks, we can insert 3 elements, that is means size of the stack is inserted elements equal to the size of stacks, that is 3. We can find the top, that is your choice number 4. Top is 30. Those elements is inserted lastly, that is the top elements. That is stack is called as stack first in first out, first in last out, that is 30 will be top elements. We can delete operation, that means top element will be deleted. That is the operations of stack by using the STL.